Hi guys, welcome back to my new video, and today in this video we will make an animated website using HTML and CSS. As you can see on this web page, cloud and water are running and the boat looks like running and singing. These all animations are made using CSS that you will learn in this video. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Easy Tutorials if you are new on my channel. Now let's start this video. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have two files, which is index.html file and another one is style.css file. I have another folder with the name images, and in this folder I have some images that I will be using on the website. You can find all these images download link in the video description. Now I will open my HTML file with code editor, which is brackets editor. So this is the HTML file. I have added basic HTML structures like HTML head, then body, and this one is the CSS file where I have added margin and padding. It is 0. In the HTML file I have added this link tag to connect the HTML file with the CSS file. Now we will write the code in the body tag that will be displayed on the web page. So in this body tag we will add one div with the class name hero. Let's copy this class name, write it here in the CSS file, and here we will write the CSS properties like width and height. After that we will add position, relative and background image. So it will be URL and image file path. So this is the image background.jpg. Next we will add the background size. It will be cover and background, position center. Overflow, it will be hidden. After applying these CSS, let's open this HTML file with web browser, and you can see this image on the complete web page. Next we will add more images on this web page. So let's come back, and in this HTML file here we will add another div, and let's add the class name ocean. Here we will add one image. So I am adding the image tag, img tag, and image file path. So it is water.png, and let's add the class name water like this. Next we will copy the class name ocean, write it here in the CSS file. Here we will add height. It will be 220 pixel and position absolute. Then write bottom 0 and width it will be 100%, left 0, so it will come at the bottom. Now just copy the class name water, write it here, and here we will add height 100%, position absolute, right 0. Now you can see this image on the web page. This water image is here. Next we will add one more image, which is boat image. So let's come back in the HTML file, and here we will add one div with the class name boat, and let's add one image here with the img tag and image file path, which is boat.png. Now just copy the class name boat, write it here in the CSS file. Here we will add CSS properties like width, it will be 350 pixel, then write position absolute and bottom 200 pixel, left 50%, then transform translate x minus 50%, so it will be horizontally centered. Just copy this class name again, then write img. For this boat we will add width, it will be 100%. That's it. After applying this CSS, let's refresh the website, and you can see this boat image in the center. Next we will add another image, which is cloud, that we will add on the top. So let's come back, and here after this hero class name, here we will add img tag and the image file path, cloud.png, and the class name cloud. Now just copy the class name cloud, write it here in the CSS file. Here let's add the height. It will be 250 pixel, position absolute, right 0, and refresh the web page now, and you can see this cloud image on the top. So we have added all the images on this web page. Next we will add the image reflection for this boat. So just come back, and here let's add WebKit box reflect, then write below. Save these changes and refresh the website. Now you can see the boat image reflection at the bottom. Now let's come back, and here we will add 0. It is the distance between the main image and reflected image. Then write linear gradient and one color code. Here I am writing 0.1. Let's duplicate it, and the second time I will write 0.6. So after adding this, let's refresh the website again, and now you can see this reflection looks very good. Next we have to add animations on all the images. So let's come back, and first we will start with the cloud. Here we will add animation. Let's add the animation name cloud. It will be for 10 second linear infinite. After that we will add the keyframes for this cloud animation. So here let's add the keyframes cloud, and let's add 0%. When it is on the 0%, then transform translate x, it will be 0. There will be no translate, and here I will duplicate it and make it 100%, and on the 100% it will become 500 pixel. So it will move by 500 pixel in the x direction. Now you can see this cloud image is moving from the left side to the right side. Now just come back, and next we will add the animation on the water image. So here in this water we will add animation and the animation name, which is water 10 second linear infinite. Next we will add the keyframes for this animation. So here let's add the keyframes and water. Again we will write 0%, and on the 0% transform translate x will be 0. It will not move, and let's duplicate it, make it 100%, and when it is 100% it will move by 1000 pixel. Here I am adding 1000 pixel because my image width is very big. Now you can see the water image is also moving from the left side to the right side. So now we have animated the cloud image and water image. Next we will add the animation on the boat image. So let's come back to the CSS file, and here we will add animation. Let's write the name boat. It will be for 2 second linear infinite. Again we will write the keyframes for this boat animation. So here I will add some space, and let's add keyframes boat. Here let's add 0%, and on the 0% I will write transform rotate 0 degree. Let's duplicate it, and here we will add -1 degree, rotation -1 degree, and it will be 25%. Let's duplicate it and make it 50%. Then again rotation will be 0 degree. Duplicate it and make it 75%, and this time it will become 1 degree. And next we will write the 100%, and on the 100% it will become 0 degree. So you can see first it will be 0, then -1, again 0, then +1, and again 0. Now you can see this boat is swinging. Let me change the value so that you can see clearly. I will write -3 and 3. In this rotate I will write this, and now you can see this swinging very clearly. So it is too much. I will again reduce it. I will make -1 and 1. That's it. Next we will add some translation also, so it will move towards up and down. Here I am adding translate y 0, then translate y -3 pixel, then translate y -5 pixel, then again translate y -3, and at the last translate y 0. After applying this, you can see the boat is slightly moving up and down also. So this is how we have completed this animated web page. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.